Officers from the Office of the Auditor General have been out and about with their forensic tools, and the results of their audit on county governments will shock many taxpayers. County governments, it appears, inherited a long winding mess from their predecessors, the city, municipal and county councils, and they too failed to manage the funds better or improve record keeping. Worse still, in the period between 1st January and 30th June last year, counties could not account for billions of shillings in cash and assets. For instance, the audit report on Nairobi County revealed that the Nairobi City Council operated 40 different accounts despite a directive that they be merged under one account. Despite that, 4 more accounts were opened, and auditors' attempts to verify the exact number of accounts bore little fruit, as leading banks serving the council were uncooperative. An examination of the Nairobi City Council's assets showed that the council inherited 309 vehicles worth 58.6 billion shillings, but only 263 could be accounted for. That means that 45 council vehicles are still missing. All the land belonging to the county government is not properly documented, and many parcels of county land don't even have LR numbers. Hundreds of millions of shillings are also feared stolen in many defunct councils, including Nairobi's. For instance, records show that the Nairobi County government received some 5.5 billion shillings in income between January and June 2013 from various sources, yet only 5.2 billion shillings was banked, leading to the loss of some 252.8 million shillings. Nairobi County officials also took some 235.9 million shillings in interest, but neither surrendered or accounted for the said interests. Other glaring examples of the rot in counties include the fact that the Nairobi County government did not inherit a fixed assets register and cannot account for what belongs to it despite a schedule for the same, indicating it has non-current assets valued at 8.4 billion shillings. The audit has also revealed that the county spent some 73.6 million shillings in bursaries, yet there are no accompanying records of the said students' admission numbers in schools, raising doubts about whether the funds actually benefited needy students or the names were just fictitious. Another area of concern is the payments to contractors tasked with garbage collections. Between July 2012 and June 2013, 337.2 million shillings was paid to garbage collection contractors. Out of this, though, some 162.2 million shillings was paid to various farms which were not in the pre-qualified list. What's more, an audit inspection at the Dandora dump site revealed that some lorries did multiple dumping within a few minutes, in some instances at 10-minute intervals, raising doubts whether they actually left the dump site. Other audit reports in several counties revealed similar problems in procurement, accounting for cash flows, interest, loans and listing of assets. In Makueni, for instance, the county government irregularly withdrew more than 42 million shillings, while an employee was given a cash imprest for 3.8 million shillings for the construction of 2 washrooms. Contrary to procurement laws, building materials for the washroom were paid for in cash. The county also spent 4.1 million shillings on buying ghost construction materials that could not be verified. Abdi Osman, Business Center.